Hello everyone, I'm Brut Code. I'm a 14-year-old developer. Welcome to Brut Code, and in this channel you learn Web3 coding from a 14-year-old guy. Hello everyone, you're watching Brut Code, and today we are going to look at the Metamask Airdrop and how you can dip into the loot. So let's get started. So if I open up my browser, I have opened up an article for you all which says that Metamask has recently completed its 30 million users mark, and it plans to open up a DAO and a token. So how you can be eligible to get an token airdrop, we'll be discussing that in this video. It says that 30 million monthly active users are passed from Metamask, means 30 million users are using Metamask daily, and it says that this was a 42% increase in the last 4 months. And you also see Joe Lubin, which is a co-founder, and he's talking about the Ethereum merge, NFT and DAOs. You can watch the video over here, very informative. So if I open up this another article, you see the first criteria for the airdrop is the swap function from Metamask. If I spin up my Metamask over here, and if I just open up the wallet, and if I switch the networks to, let's say, Goali, and I swap function, so you see here is the swap function. It is unavailable on test networks, but if you are on a mainnet, Ethereum mainnet, you can swap your ETH for something else. So it says no thanks. You can swap certain tokens, so you can swap ETH to DAI. Suppose I say 0.0001. So for 0.0001 ETH, we would get 0.126096 DAI. You need okay. So I currently don't have any Ether in this wallet. Otherwise this swap would be complete. So you need to have ETH in your wallet in order to complete the transaction. So if I swap from this, and if I say 0.0001 and I say the DAI token, if I review the swap, it's fetching the codes and it says 0.1261449, and I will not do this swap now because it says for swapping $0.1 I need to pay a gas fees of $2, which is much greater than the amount which I am swapping. So I'll just cancel this transaction. But this is the first criteria, which is the swap function of Metamask, and the second criteria is the bridge function. So if I just open up my Metamask over here, and let me just open up the portfolio site. So this is a new feature added by Metamask, which you see here, portfolio. You can view your assets, etc. So you see DAI, ETH, Matic, Sushi and DQuick. So currently my net worth is $56, which shows over here, and you can see NFTs and transactions. But the main thing for the airdrop criteria is this bridge function over here. So to be eligible for the airdrop, you need to bridge your tokens from a network to another network. So let's say from Polygon to Ethereum. If I say Polygon to Ethereum and I switch networks in the Metamask wallet, so let me just switch the network, and I think it's connecting, and you see here I would send Matic, and I would receive Matic in Ethereum. So if I send one Matic, and it's calculating, so I have 14 Matic in this wallet. If I send $0.92 from Polygon to Ethereum via this bridge, let's see the prices. So it's no bridge options available. We didn't find any options for this route. Try bridging at least $30 or try again with a different network or token. So if I just input a big amount, just so that we can see over here. So we have the hop bridge, which says 10 minutes as estimated time, $0.01 as estimated gas fee, and $89.05 estimated return. So this says from $91 we get $89, and the rest of it is the bridge fees as well as the network fees. So this means there is a $2 gap. So if I send 100 matic, I would get 96.65535 matic, and this would be ERC20 token. So that is another criteria for the MetaMask airdrop, and that were all the criterias for MetaMask airdrop. And for more such airdrops, you need to watch on the websites like airdrops.io. So if you want to see latest airdrops like the Mun airdrop, the Territory airdrop, or the Conic Finance ETH proof of work airdrop, and you can also see hottest airdrops, etc. And you see there's also a BAT token airdrop over here. But I would also like to suggest you a more advanced website than this, which is DeFi Llama, which is quite popular for its project listings. You see you go into DeFi and you go into the airdrop section over here, and you see all of the airdrops over here. So you see Sin Futures, Neptune Mutual, Jojo, and Optify. And let me just see for authentic project over here, which is Infi protocol. Let's see, and we can view any of the airdrop over here. So if I go to stakers, and it says total value locked is this much, and there's going to be an airdrop. So this is another useful sites. You see graphs and everything over here. Graphical representation is good. So that was all for the MetaMask airdrop. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, because I keep posting tweets which are informative of the Web3 space. And that was all for this video. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing to the channel. Bye bye.